Hey, it's Jake with the Intermark Group, the nation's largest psychology driven marketing firm, and this is the CMO Minute. In this week's Minute, we're going to continue our exploration of memory science and how it applies to media. Now, there was a recent, or not so recent, piece of research that came from the University of Amsterdam where they looked at the affected media on memory. Now, the first exercise is where they looked at exposure versus non exposure, where they ran some ads that were within the category, and then they ran it again where a specific product was shown. And not surprisingly, people had higher recall and affinity when they had actually seen the ads. Now, this is very validating because we know that marketing works. What is somewhat interesting here is that perceptual memory increased even where we just saw categorical ads. And that's not surprising because of how we store memory. So when we trigger the category, we remember specific products. What is much more interesting was the increase in memory when we ran ads cross platform, multimedia ads, not just on one service like TV. The biggest gap was in attitude. And this is because of how the brain encodes memory. When we get things from lots of different sources, we store that memory in different places in the brain, which increase our overall recall. What is surprising to most folks, even within marketing, is the effect this has on attitude. When we see things in lots of different places, we like that product even more. Great insight from memory science that you should immediately be applying into your marketing strategy. We're going to discuss this in our continuing exploration of memory science and the marketing lessons we can learn at intermarkgroup.com/insights. Until next week, this is the CMO Minute.